A very good morning to you children. Hope all are fine. Okay, children, we are meeting after a long time. Now all festivals have got over. Your term 1 exam has also got over. And now this is the time for concentrating on your study for term 2 exams. Okay. Children, in last videos, I taught you division of 1 step and 2 step with remainder and without remainder. Okay. Some of you have understood the concept very clearly, but some have still some doubts. So my advice is that you do a lots of practice. You watch video again and again and do practice. Okay. Now children, in this class, we will go through chapter number 6, division, and the exercise is 6.4. In this exercise, we are going to do word problems of division. Okay. So children, you watch video very carefully. Children, you know that why it is necessary to do word problem? Because children, word problem is related with our daily life problems. Okay. Here some, for example, if you have some toffees, okay, and you have to distribute it equally among your friends or equally among your brother and sister, that time you have to apply division. Understood? So it is important or it is necessary to learn word problems. Okay. Now children, let's begin here. First you see the question. Okay. First you read it. 72 biscuits are divided among 8 girls equally. How many biscuits will each girl get? Okay. So in word problem, what you have to do? First you have to understand what the question is asking. Okay. What information has been given here? So you have to understand it clearly. Here what has been given? Number of biscuits. Total number of biscuits are there. 72 biscuits are divided among 8 girls equally. That means total number of biscuits are 72 and the number of girls are here 8 girls. Okay, and we have to divide 72 biscuits among 8 girls equally. Clear? Now, second part of the question is how many biscuits will each girl get? Okay, then each girl means one girl will get how many biscuits? You have to find out. Okay, so first what information has given here, you have to make the statement by taking them. Clear? So you start writing the statement. First you write here solution. Okay. Now first what has been given here? Total number of biscuit, that is 72. So you will write here total number of biscuits is equal to how many? How many biscuits are there? 72. You will write here 72. Now the second statement will be we have to divide 72 biscuits among 8 girls. Okay. So the second statement will be how many girls are there? You will write here number of girls. What you will write here? How many girls are there? Number of girls is equal to how many? 8. Clear? Now the third statement will be what we have to find out. We have to find out how many biscuits will each girl get. Then how will you write the third statement? You will write the third statement number of, we have to divide biscuits. So we will write here first number of biscuits each girl. Okay, each girl. Here number how many biscuits will each girl get? What you will write here? You will write the in place of how many, you will write here number of. Okay, number of, and after that you will write this line number of biscuits each girl will get. What you will write? Number of biscuit each girl will get. Okay. Then what you will do here? Okay children, now after that we will divide 72 by 8. Okay, so how will we divide? First we make box like structure. 72 is dividend and 8 is divisor. Okay, so we will write 72 is bigger number, that is dividend we will write inside the box and divisor 8 we will write outside. Clear? You always write the bigger number inside and a smaller number outside. Okay, and after that what we have to do? We have to compare the leftmost digit with the divisor. In last class I taught you that before starting division you have to compare it. The leftmost digit is 7 and divisor is 8. Here 7 is smaller than 8, so it cannot be divided by 8. In this case we will divide 72 together by 8. Okay, so what we will do now? We will find out when 72 is coming in the table of 8. 8 nines are 72. In how many times 72 is coming here? When you say the table of 8, it will come in 9 times. So you will write 9 here and the 72 is coming. 8 nines are 72 below it. And after that you will do subtraction. You start from the right side. 2 minus 2, 0. 7 minus 7, also 0. Here the remainder is 0 and quotient is 9. Children, what the quotient is coming here, that is the answer of this question. That is 9. Means 9 biscuits. 9 biscuits. Okay, 9, what is this? 9 is what? 9 is 9 biscuits. That means each girl will get, one girl will get how many biscuits? 9 biscuits. Okay, so you will write the answer here. After performing that, first you write the statement, then you perform division here and below it you write the answer. Answer is 9 biscuits. Okay, hope you understood. Okay, I will give some more question, then it will be clear to you more. Okay children, let's have another question. The question is 96 marbles are shared equally among 4 friends. How many does each friend get? What the question is here? The question is there, number of marbles are 96 and it will be distributed among how many friends? 4 friends. Clear? How many marbles are there? 96 and it will be divided among how many friends? 4 friends. So how many does each friend get? When we will divide 96 marbles among 4 friends, then how many marbles one friend will get? We have to find out this. Understood? Okay, after that we have to write the statements. Here, how will you write the first statement? First, what has been given here? The total number of marbles. First you will write, okay? Total number of marbles is equal to how many? 96. Okay, and we have to divide it among how many friends? 4 friends. Okay, so you will write number of friends. Number of friends is equal to how many? 4. Okay, now what we have to find out? How many does each friend get? Okay, how many one friend will get? Okay, so how will you write the last statement? Number of marbles each friend will get. Okay, number of marble each friend will get, or number of marble each friend get, you can write also here. Okay, each friend get. Okay, then after that, now after that what you will write here? Total number of marbles. How many marbles are there? 96 you will write first here and put here the sign of division. And how many friends are there? Among them you have to divide it. The number of friends are 4. 4 you will write after the sign of division. And after that we will perform division. So first you make here box 96. You will write inside the box because this is the bigger number. Okay. and 4 is smaller, and that is divisor, that you will write outside of the box. And after that, we will compare the leftmost digit with the divisor. That is 9 and that is 4. 9 is bigger than 4. That means we have to divide 9 separately. Okay. In this time, we will not going to divide 96 togetherly. Clear? So first you divide 9 only. Okay. You don't see 6 is here. You forget that 6 is here. You see here 9 is there only. Okay. So to find out 9, we will write the table. We will say the table of 4 and find out when 9 is coming, or if 9 is not coming, then we will choose the number that is nearest and less than 9. So you will write here table of 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. What I taught you in last class, I taught you that if you cross 9 is here, that means if you are crossing the number here, if you are crossing the number 9 and you are reaching here at the bigger number, that is 12, that means we have to stop writing the table here. Okay, we will cross it here, and after that we will choose the number just above it. That means 8. 8 will be the perfect number, that is the nearest and less than 9. Okay, so what we will write, in how many times 8 is coming here? You see 4 twos are. In 2 times it is coming, so you will write 2 at top. And what is coming? 4 twos are 8. You will write 8 just below 9. Okay, and after that you will subtract it. 9 minus 8, what will come? 1. Clear? And here, now we will put down 6 here. And now what we have? 1, 6, 16. Here you can see, you compare leftmost digit 1 with 4. 1 is less than 6. So we will divide 16 together. Okay. Now what we will do? We will again say the table of 4 and find out when 16 is coming. Here 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. In how many times 16 is coming here? 4 times. How many times? 4. So you will write 4 at top and 16 here. And after that you will do subtraction. 6 minus 6, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Okay. So what is here? Quotient is 24, remainder is 0. Quotient is 24. That means that is the answer of this question. That means number of marbles each friend will get. How many marbles? 24. Okay. One friend will get 24 marbles. Clear? And children, you will write this table in rough page. Here I am writing here, but you will write in the rough page. Okay. So the answer will be, after that you will write answer 24 marbles. Clear? Children, hope you have understood. Children, before solving word problem, please see video again and again. Then only you can understand how you have to write a statement and how you have to solve word problems. Okay? Now children, this was your today's class. I will give you some questions in PDF and you have to solve it in your copy. And in your maths book, already so many questions I have given. So you do practice by solving them. Okay? Now children, this was your today's class. See you again in next class. Till then, bye, thank you and take care of yourself.